Hello, all. Warm welcome and good evening. Hope you are all safe at your homes and maintaining quarantine and helping our families, our country, and saving the world. Seeing in. So, as we started this quarantine period and we are running the saving world, and we also thought about making making use of this time wisely. So we just thought about making some video sessions where people can understand the technology and the opportunities which can be run after all these set breaks were completed. So this is about integrating e-commerce with SAP Business One. So basically, we are an SAP Business One company, and myself was Yuga, and the session was about integrating e-commerce platform with SAP Business One, where we have all those emerging platforms coming into the e-commerce. Like we have Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, Ubuntu, Magento, and we PrestaShop. We have a lot of e-commerce websites now, and the business trend is changing, and the store business is moving there to this e-commerce business there. And for this e-commerce business, when we think about the e-commerce business, we have a lot of order taking. We have a lot of data entry processing there. ஸோ இந்த டேட்டா என்ட்ரி ப்ராசஸிங் எல்லாத்தையும் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணி அக்கௌண்டிங் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணுறதுக்கு வி ஹவன் வி ஹவ் டூ திங்ஸ் ஹியர் வித் SAP Business One and with Avanico specifically. We have some standard packages being provided by SAP, and other than it, we also have our own tailor-made integrations where we have successfully integrated this with many of our clients and running it successfully till date. So let me jump on with a quick presentation over here. Hope you all will be seeing the screen now. So e-commerce integration with SAP Business One. So with the latest version, so SAP releases its versions, its families with the new upgradations which is needed for the business, and which is needed for the business there. The latest version of SAP was 10.0, and with this latest version, with this latest release, SAP itself was thinking to come. SAP was a market competitor, and SAP wants to meet all technological updates, and the latest update was this e-commerce integration pre-built within SAP Business One, and that is an integration hub, which is a completely SME product where we have all the integrations. I'll show you what all the integrations we have with in a detailed manner in the next slide, and which helps us to connect to all e-commerce markets available, all e-commerce markets, and then I'll jump on to the tailor-made integration which we have done for a customer, and we have a development environment to be shown today. So the next thing is I'll jump on to the next slide. So this is the integration of SAP Business One with the latest 10.0 version, which is compatible with this HANA and all. And this is the main dashboard or the landing page of this integration hub, where you'll see all the upcoming, all the major e-commerce sites and all those e-commerce sites been there. So it has Shopify there, it has Amazon, it has Magento, it has UPS. All those integrations were there with this integration hub, which is all standards with SAP Business One indirect with of this 10.0 version. So let me jump on to the next thing, and we have done almost all parts of this e-commerce integration. So when I say this all parts, we have a lot of things on this e-commerce integration. Like the major challenges, what the user needs for the e-commerce integration was. when you do an e-commerce business, so there are some challenges, like you have to keep your products updated, you have to keep your updated products being shown on the portal, and you want the stocks to be displayed immediately, and you want the stocks to be pushed and reserved to the e-commerce guys immediately. And there are a lot of complexities maintaining the stock, maintaining the price, and when there is a delay, there is a lot of things there. So you have to be so competitive in the market, so effective, so proactive, and all. So all these things, when there are the issues. And when we take this e-commerce integration, we do one complete inventory sync, we do complete SKU sync. So you can maintain one place and single system for the SKU maintenance, where which will be your system, which your ERP system, like say like SAP Business One. So you'll have complete maintenance there on SAP Business One, where you'll go create, maintain all those item SKU details, which will be pushed to the e-commerce site, where you don't have to keep hands on. So you have everything on your own ERP system, and you'll maintain things that will be synced real time to this e-commerce platforms. And we also have this itemized sync. So whenever you create an item master or an SKU, it automatically gets synced to the e-commerce site. And you'll have this pricing updates. So whenever you go change any prices there on the SKUs, it automatically reflects your pricing masters on this portals. It keeps it updated, and all the stock availabilities are real time. And that was with the SKU sync. And we also have this transactional things, and as you know, and when you deal with more with this e-commerce integrations, you'll see all these different kind of documents which we are displayed here. So we have done almost everything, from an order intake to an order confirmation being sent to an e-commerce site. So then shipment notification, invoices, and the payment regulations, all those. So let's also see this, the benefits of the transaction sync. So on the SKU sync, I just showed you the advantages of maintaining it on single system, all those. So the next slide is about the benefits of this transactional sync, where you'll have, when you have n number of orders and all these e-commerce orders, it can be any time being synced in. It can be any midnight, it can be any late night, Sundays, any time. So you don't need an order entry guy. It comes in automatically. No monitoring needed, no people, no manual intervention needed. So that's there. And you can process any number of orders. It's not an issue. And because a guy is not going to sit there and say that it's done, I've just posted 1,000 orders. Not, if it is in peak time, it is in high time in business, to get bulk orders. Every orders get synced in. No issues there in ordering these bulk orders. And you have this complete order tracking. So you'll get a number there from this e-commerce site, which will be tagged to your ERP system, and on your sales orders or this purchase orders, everything. So you'll have a complete order tracking there. And we also do automated invoicing based, if you have if you want the stock to be if you want the stock to be dispatched as soon as the order comes in. We also do automatic invoicing, and we also have the other payment integrations, all those. So your accounting system will be clean, neat, without any issues of handling payments. For every transaction which you gotten from the e-commerce site, you'll have this order tracking number, and which will be automatic to an invoice. And when you get the payments, you'll get automatic reconciled. And the accounts team will be so happy. There will be clean books, and you can track the payments easily when you do with this lot of transactions there. And so this is about the theoretical version of this e-commerce integration. And let me go on to this live demo of a tailor-made solution which we did. As I mentioned, there are two things here. So first thing was this integration hub, which SAP has as its own package, where it has standard customizations there displayed on this integration hub. And this is the second piece, where we have this is a completely tailor-made solution which we have did for another customer, and we have this is an Avni Coast product. Say it. This is an Avni Coast product, and this is with I just gonna demo with Shopify e-commerce website where I'm gonna create SKUs and do orders. So let me jump into this. So we have Amazon, Shopify. Okay, so this is a system here, and this is a development store which we created for. This is a development Avanico's development store which we created for the demo, and I gonna go create one item here on SAP Business One, which is I'll have this here as where do we go with this? Say let we can LED TV. See all those details here. MITV. Let's pick this. So I have it here. So MI, or do we have a serial number there? No, we don't have it. 4A Pro. No. MI 80C 32 inches. And I'm going creating all these standard thing which is needed for an SKU maintenance on SAP, where you all have this GST features to be done. And I pick this image, and I maintain this here. Okay, I'm just gonna hit add. Got added here. So this is my store where I have created a few products. Seventh page. Okay, so here as you've seen, I have MI 80 centimeter 32 inches. Okay, I forgot this pricing here. So let me go pick something new, which will be now this time we'll pick an Apple laptop. Apple laptop. Apple Mac Pro. We will pick a product which is available in the market. Sony. I'm just browsing this to get the product details right. So I want to show all these available products and not which is not available in the market. Sony, India, and all the details I have there. So pricing, I just want to update it. The MRP pricing here, and I just update this here, passing the GST. Okay, it's done. So I'm gonna refresh the system now again. I refresh the page, and where am I? Okay, page 2, page 3. So I have this Sony Vivo laptops 27,549, which is the pricing which was on the website. So, and with this is with this, as you've seen, this is completely real time. This has no delays there. It is so hassle free. As soon as you create your items on your system, it is automatically being pushed to this e-commerce site. So this is an Shopify development store what we have, and the same will be on your registered Shopify logins, where the customers can go place orders. And I'm gonna do one order entry now. This is my favorite product here. I go pick it and I just add it to the cart. On the cart, I just do cart here and I will check out. Okay, I'm gonna enter my number. So all these details I have pre-filled on my browser, so it just came in. Continue shipping state. And there is all payment details here. The shipping details are here. As this is demo, I just continue with this payment, and I just gonna add this. I'll get an order confirmation now. So the order is confirmed. All those details here, and the order number is 1017. This is your e-commerce order number, which will not be on your system. You will be capturing it somewhere as of now, but let me show it how it is on SAP Business One and with this integration here. I open up an order here. We have this order being captured as an order itself, and this can also be converted into a direct invoicing. All what is this? Being captured order takes time. It seems 017. Okay. So this is an order which I got created from the store, and it says here the Shopify customer. So I create all orders into one customer here, which is the Shopify customer, and I made a generic thing here. So and this order got synced, and the order was captured here with this order number. I was showing in previous order which is captured on the system. Since I was not able to figure this out now, I think there is a delay there. Yeah, till the last order we got it. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. So this is just a demo of what is possible out of this tailor-made solutions, where we can do things in real time without delays, and how easy it is, how hassle free it is, no manual interventions needed, how it can make people's life easy. So as I jump onto the slide, this is all these transactional things what I displayed here is possible with this tailor-made solutions, where we can handle all these e-commerce integrations being done, and it is already been rolled out to few customers by Avnico. And thank you for watching this, and this is the and demo of what is possible. And if we can get in the opportunity to work more on this. We are ready to happy there, work there. And thank you all. Thank you for spending time here on this quarantine time. Be safe. Let's catch up with more learning sessions and more explorations with Avaniko. We innovate. That's our goal. Thank you.